Hablay Pibaro, Shakatup Khubor Jungi, Gadon Bosco Media Network. Gimat Bakong San Mentakas Ngikilong. Bediang Umintri Rangba Ukonrat Kisangma, Ban Itu Ban Kuburom Nikinongiki Hill State. Ini kendu Kimintri Rangba ke Meghalaya Bat Assam, ya Umintri Korbari ke Sorkar India, Halor ki kami penbet Put penbet Sam. Penjelan rata ke Sorkar Meghalaya Ban Yorung kam Sorkar. But one Ajing Kershan ke Meghalaya Indigenous People's Fund, ya MLA ke Not Shillong Oba Adelbert Nongru. But mintangin pashi ki Khubor bakam benya. Umintri Rangba Ka Jylla Ukonrat Kisangma ulong ubekloy ban itu bat ban pendon burom ya baro kinongeki Hill State. Ya kenilai itu do nong yalam jong Hill State People's Democratic Party uba PK Pangyang. Uni unong yalam ulai itu bukmi linti baka sorkar kan sependon burom iki hakini kapor baka Jylla kan rakhi ya jingdap san postnem jong jingyo ya Jylla bapura.
Representation along with all names of those organizers and volunteers of the party. And I am happy to inform you that the Honorable Chief Minister has welcomed the movement of the application, the memorandum, the proposal of the party. So hopefully that within this year-long celebration of the 50-year statehood of Meghalaya, the Honorable Chief Minister has accepted our demand that we need to facilitate that. We need to respect those statehood fighters. So this is the matter that we have discussed with the Honorable Chief Minister.
Umintri Rangba Ka Jylla Konrad Kisangma Rengkat bat Umintri Rangba Ka Assam Uhimanta Biswa Sharma Lashai Kesngi Kinsalit Sha Delhi Bani Kendo I Umintri Kampo Ying U Amit Shah Bani Kren Yiki Kam Penbet Put Penbet Sam Hapadeng Ka Meghalaya bat Assam. Umintri Rangba Konrad Kisangma Ulaong.
Any state government may try to claim some areas, but the people living in those areas, if they don't wish to be with a particular state, one cannot force people to forcefully come into a particular state. This has been the basic driving principle for us, and that's why we have gone down to the grassroots level, and the committees have meticulously gone and visited every single 36 villages which were under dispute or differences in the 6 areas that were there. And after detailed visits to these 36 villages, we have finally come to an understanding where we have tried to follow these principles that I have just mentioned to you. What is most important to remember and to note today is that it's really a very, very important day, and this very important issue which has been there for the last 50 years and was very difficult to move forward from all angles, that today, due to the efforts made by the different committees and the 2 state governments, we are actually finding and seeing a solution that's coming out, where we have consulted multiple stakeholders, we have had multiple meetings and multiple visits, and as I said, this is truly a very, very important and a historic moment where we are able to actually move forward and resolve some of the areas of differences that are there. So I'm sorry I'm not able to share the full details with you, but as I said, Assam has given some idea yesterday. It is more or less in that line, but we will be able to give you more details once I return from Delhi tomorrow late night.
Ka Sorkar Meghalaya kan sepenjelan no ikarta ban yo rungkam Sorkar Hapok Ka Jylla. Habakren nikilat pathai Khubor Umintri Rangba Ukonrat Kisangma ulai thu bakakenhun Menteri Hapok Ka Jyngalam Jongu kalashim ya karai ban penjelan no ikarta ban yo rungkam Sorkar. Hakbayade bat kini Umintri Rangba Ukonrat Kisangma ulabatai.
The government has decided to have age relaxation for entry into government service from the age of 27 to 32. This will not include an exemption has been given for police, home police. So any recruitment done by home police will be exempted from this decision. Forest guards will be exempted from this decision. The home guards and civil defense will also be exempted. And also the prisons officials, the prisons department also, certain posts will also be exempted from this. So the point is, the uniformed posts that are there, which require slightly more physical work, will have the same age limit as before, and there will be no change in that. But for all other government services, the age relaxation has been increased from 27 to 32, and for the ST, another 5 years will be added, so that's 37.
Kasing Bhalang Meghalaya Indigenous Peoples Fund minta kasngi kelawan ban ai jing kershan yu Emily kanot Shillong uba Adelbert Nongrum ubadang beteng da kejing ki syong kelan mengor Hamadan Malki Shillong bandawa na kesorkar ye kejing dawa ba Ka Jylla kampat yo.
Hadian bengi i haki kot Khubor bagi media kumjo di hadian bai ba Adelbert iwe na ki no mikmat akani Ka Jylla jumi la simkhia kabe de begini isu berasa penting ga aslam ma la nyar begini i ba ngin yo no mikmat ba komunir sama melarang ba ban mi sakmat na ka banta ban keren i ban pau i sya ka sarkar ban pau i sya ga benriu ba kala don kam na ka banta ban lei i hakabe de na ka banta ibabun ki isu jong kisai benriu ti hangni ka i ba Adelbert ki dun sandli ki isu ki ba i kwa ba ka government kan pentri kam no ho na kaliang government kala ya sakmat hakabe ba ka bordar ba ki gwe tenri kum kalong mentang i kum ba ka de ta ki pumbi pa ba asmo ba nga azimut yo deputy chief minister badon buram jungi ba umdei ban ken do thala yagani ka jing dawa nakaliang jo iba Adelbert ban pentri kam no ikini ki mat ki jing dawa nakamta ki jing mento jong jem rio henry di ban ai men sim bat le si lada nakaliang sarkar ka simkhia yagani kam don jing ai ban pendon kami gani
ya ka jing dawa jong ber Adelbert ngam kwa shu ban ikhtaj nomor ba ber Adelbert ila pen paw la ka jong ki jing dawa ringin dang kren su nakaliang jong ngan dang kren sekiwe pat ki jing dawa ibarit yang sem la ki tu ki santali ki jing dawa tingi kersian ka we mo barin ibarit kersian ni gitu kijing dawa junga ngangan kersian ni kijing dawa junga ni don hang ni mentam ndai ban persya ek soka nrei ban ai jingmut ek soka ka ei ka babha bangila man le san pau tuli isnam ni sungole ran la dangim padon ban ai ka babha ya ki khon ki ti jungi hadin bo
Kum shibenta bansa kan mau pateng la pateng hagasngi arpuiterik ukala lingkon inspeni kot Khubor thamai kaba ai kerteng de Meghalaya kaban long kerpang na kabenta ke emlang salang ha Ka Jylla habakren shikila pathai Khubor u Dr S Loniak marbanyang bat u dipangkar kila ethu bai kini ka kot Khubor in pentri kam kum ka print ka digital bat portal
nel ga management galong ban sekri pai ba ma ki problem ki klan ko por min failon kumoi Insya Allah jengi ada muai di demand ke universiti, di demand ke ki road, mentang lami unemployment problem, kami ke health problem. Tingi semua begini ki, hoi kita pakai guna gila, tingi semua bangil ini ban contribute lem nam tak jumpa juga state ki cai meriau. Tingi ai ketik demi kalian dulu ban kabar bar kau jenong senong dengan kalian, gibun ki try ni po Jylla ni bagi tu belah. Wana bar ko syam kan ni ke Jylla kalian ini padan pasal hi, ko mengili shui ru ki biangi ni ki problem the same problem that human race face. They may differ a little from here to there. They can include kalong man sekri khamtam ye ka puli ka ri ka jai meriau hakaliang ka health ka economic problem, unemployment problem, education, mat kini kaliang ka tourism development kum tatar tinggi persangat bala man le ani kaliang tilada ngin mi ka arfuitrik la shisngi fas isu ni atar ko office ni kende yamanta ni tepo yim jong GMC markup jong ka St Peter School hading sekolah te feel free tim semua lai lu ben clean ngi nomor ngi don spo satu ngi kli song so ngi kli ting so de ben clean pada kaya je pada mabling yon tu non te o manu adong ma man te nomor kata-kata ngi snow Kali men ngomong ipin siang idon sekolah kadu hajar masa approaching 40 lakh men suasar Shillong kisim elektrik na population Shillong 25,000 kisim elektrik long 4,000 families mentah ke consumption bujur demand bajur ng keren minim siya pas matrik diberi one khot na yeng menteri ngat sungai one khot menteri LD club menteri UD club mentah bokli pas me mesti buat kamu mio ngalong member Shillong Commerce College Shillong College kalau kakam nih kai ki department have screen kawi ka post assistant professor apply ars pangot ni konta ni kata fi saya ingin lek na jungi kan yang kadang misngo kum gi ba wirong ba mangin contribute ya ke statement ke siulam kum bangim cha nang red ki lam ti ba he mentai la kami gini mun ai no dalam society
Kesor Shillong minta kenok pai sngi kala kerita hadin bu selap bat pria harungkat ke jingkerho jong uperthat kila theory kesor Shillong. Uslap ulas dang banhap naduk kepor shibaji shiteng hagi kat tu kat ni kibenta jong kesor Shillong bad hadin kat tu kat ni por lawan hap seupria uberben hang ni kesor Shillong. Hakani kepor ki kaliru kila hap banyak suki kinala kila shle bad kawa umkra ru kala dang ban kiu kindian bad ban rong ye ki jaklia. Kejing ko jing suba kam de ban long tang hikisngi badon jing rakhi ni lekmen Henry ka de ban long bet baro shisnem ong umintri katanat penroi sor uba snya bahalang dhar kumba kapau menta layu i bajan baro kishnong kidong hapo sor Shillong kilas dang ban pen khoi bat pen itanat yala kishnong githau kum kadak ban pediang burom ya ka jing rakhi dap san posnem jong gajalla ka ban salong ha ka arpui terik menta ubenai baka Meghalaya ka yo ekajalla bapura Hakabe day bat kani umentri ulaong baka sarkar ka shimi ka jingit kli ya ka jingpin itanat ya kini kishnong.
The purpose is our responsibility all the Meghalaya citizen as a mark of respect to the 50-year celebration. We request all the headmen in the localities, please keep your locality clean and neat. That is the main purpose of this. Not only the city, even in Joy town, in some villages, we request all. And maybe not only for celebration, cleanliness is important throughout the years. 2 days back, few weeks back, that there is a token, so small token of amount from the government we distribute to different locality, Joy to run Joy, to support them financially. This is the main purpose.
Sngokemen kanyo terap Integrated Territorial Organization baka sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kala penjin suri kerta banyo rung hakikam sarkar. Habakrench kilat pathai Khubor unong elam kehitu uloong baka sarkar kadeben advertise no ikituki kam kibalat bakalapen bena.
Hi nakaliang jong kanyo terap Integrated Territorial Organization hitu hidap deka jing sngokemen chikadaya ba hadin mengila iling ba kilat pathai Khubor baga sarkar MDA hagajing yalam jong konrat kongkal ke sangma ntagasni hagapo cabinet kila approve ya kaneka increase upper age limit kuman shu kunma haga khatar tarik na binyo arajar arpuai ngila bo ka dorkhas hakmat jong menteri rang batu banyak kran ye kaneka kam ba haga tu jing kendo la kubur ru ba menteri kam hadu ya upper age limit hadu lai binyo padi ke general kendai lai puar te kum kektian kum ta kakam pas kowai haganek city ke bangi penher yang menta show menteri rang badu ye ai ke jing kublai u kubun kong bat kebaar ni dawa ban khotri advertisement no ye gitu ki post ki bala dep men hagani bat ni ai kublai sesien yo ba ula pun long ye ke jing thumu ba ke jing dawa jang ki khon samla jong gari brih nyok trap bat jong hi ka Meghalaya hi borok khoi imslam go brih nyok trap Islam ka chat pendrio khasi population
Kesarkar Meghalaya rengkat bekinong shnong jongka kin rakhi ka golden jubilee jongka jingyo ya ka jilla Meghalaya bapura kabelas dang naduk ka arpuai terik ukula lengkot arjar arpuai bat en penkut pat ha ka arpuai terik ukula lengkot arjar arpuar Hakabede bat kini unong elam jongka RBYF uloong baka sarkar ka shimkya yigijing jong gijat benbriu bat ai nuksa bakani ka sarkar ka persyang banya penbet yuput usam jongka bat ka asam wat laki we ki sarkar kim shim lale wat laki ladon hakabor
Yekan hakabede bat kini kam ban rakhe ni te ni ngimdan kanono ka dam ole ka jing persyak ya ka jing pu jong kani ka sarkar Handai ladangi kan pat dia kisual ki balada blessing ila bang bukti. Kaya ke bang iwi hakani ke sokar muta. Kaya tang kani ke sokar MDE. Ka simkhia na du ki kam jingdawa jung ki patba hakabidi ba ki issue ba kan choka jan benro. Ladangi phairo hakabidi ba ka border issue ngelei na du usam ka kandai spa nyu puar hakapor bangyo jela lese de kalian kinongelam di bunswa kimsim la simkhia ban penbet no yo put usam ko bedi ka asam Meghalaya. Handai hakajinge nanti de ki masau ko snem tam ni gajing bami simkhia ju gini ki sarkar ki baladap lese ka pelong yengi ban penbita.
Hakabaya day bat kani kajing rakhi kajing yo ikajalla bapura usong knor jong umsning town dorbar ulong bakat baga jalla Meghalaya kampat don na ujong uput usam bapura ke sarkar jilla kalade ban kintui ke sarkar Assam bakam day ban tamput sha Meghalaya.
Sotalat ya kajing dap jong ka sampos dam tangkawi galong ba kidon ki kam ki ba nakaliang jong ka jalla jong ikat aduk menta baladap sampos nem kimpala pendap. Di kata ka way ke ka border issue. Hakajing day ba ka border issue mentala sampus teling stem nilai yang di. Hatu menta ngi pala man soal ini problem. Ngakan mau nado menba kadang-kadang ku noinam juga sing abu ya. Nila dawa ya ka port ka port. Hajing day ba ka di border issue. Rekat hatu menta bangila yo man celebration ya ka sampus stem. Impak yo ya kata kejela ke pura uput usam upopiang kadai ni ipat bana kadang kejela asam pat kat badan ni isnem nila ya ke celebration na kadang jong jela asam pat ni ipat ba ka asam kadang tur
Bat daki tuki khubor ngila poi syakabakut tat hadu pengindesem biang kuble shibon.